Hi everybody, I'm aboard Liberty of the Seas and I'm going to give you our cabin tour of 8364. Welcome to another Journey with Josh. Okay, as always, I'll start with the door first because that's where your emergency information is. Okay, as you can see, your assembly station is going to be on deck 4, D23. As you come in the door, you're going to have a main light switch. It is not key card control, which is nice. And then on the other side of the door, you do have two hooks to be able to hang garments on. And as we come in, on the right hand side, we've got the bathroom. It is your standard pod shower. You've got your shower gel and shampoo in one. You've got a little cubby thing there to hold your stuff. It is a wand shower. Plenty of counter space in this cabin. And then over there on the far side, you do have more shelves. And then also up here, you do have a outlet for razors. Also, just on the side of the bathroom door, you do have your thermostat. On the back of the door, you've got more hooks to hang garments on. And then, of course, across from the bathroom, you do have your closet space. Plenty of hangers up here. You've got two things that you can pull down to hang short garments on if you choose. You've got your life jackets on one side. And then on the other side, you do have a safe and then some shelving units. This is a spacious balcony, so you can see there is a good bit of room here. We've actually got a little coffee table there. On the right hand side, we've got a full-length sofa. And then on the left here, we have the desk space. Plenty of drawers. Plenty of drawers. On the desk, you've got your announcement volume. You've got your 230 volt European outlet. And then on the other side here, you've got two North American 120 volt outlets and a light switch. On the side here, you do have shelves. And you have that on either side. You've got plenty of space on the desk if you need to work or if someone needs to put on makeup. Plenty of space for that. And then of course you've got your full-length mirror with lights on either side. That's nice. On the other side here, you do have more drawer space. You do have a hair dryer, and it is a plug-in hair dryer, so it's not already mounted into the wall or whatever. And then on the side here, you've got a chiller. We've already got a few things in there, but remember this is a chiller, not a refrigerator. As this says on the front, minimum temperature is going to be 55 degrees. Well, that's fine for wine. You do have a television with a remote control. And above the television, you do have another little small shelf. Over near the bed here, on this side of the bed, you've got a telephone with light switch. This telephone does not have a USB port on it for you to be able to charge your electronics. The light switch right here also does not have a USB port. You do have a drawer space right here to store items. Then you've also got your king size bed, and they always give you these little things that whenever you board the ship, special deals. And on the other side of the bed, you've got another nightstand with drawer, and again another reading light on this side of the bed. And so this right here is your spacious balcony cabin on Liberty of the Seas. But I still need to show you the balcony, which is very nice. So as I said, I need to show you the balcony, so let's go look at that beautiful balcony and that gorgeous view. Okay, let's step outside. Now look at this very nicely sized balcony and a full-size table, perfect for whenever you want to have breakfast on your balcony or dinner on your balcony, or you just want to sit and read and have a glass of wine on your balcony. Full-size chairs, as I said before, plenty of space out here, and you get to see this gorgeous view. We are in Fort Lauderdale right now, getting ready to sail out to Coco Cay and Nassau. Jet coming in, Frontier. But as I said, this right here is a very nice sized balcony. Now I've got to yell over this stupid jet. But as you can see, there's plenty of space out here. You could probably have a small party. So there you have it. This is Liberty of the Seas. This is a spacious balcony cabin 8364. Hope you enjoyed this cabin tour. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you for tripping with me.